Today we're going to show you how to relocate your washer hose and your wires on your Defender Limited model for your Thumper Fab roof. First thing you want to do is cut off all of your tabs from your factory harness. Now you want to zip tie your wires over to your driver's side. So now you can take your 1/4-inch drill bit and drill some 1/4-inch holes on the inside of your roll cage so you can put the push lock zip ties in. You're going to drill 3 holes. You'll drill 1 at the front, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. Now you can insert your push lock zip ties into the hole. Now you can zip tie your wire and your hose. These 2 red and black wires were made for your dome lights. You will not need them anymore with your roof. Now we'll need to extend your power window wire. Once it's extended, we can attach it to the back of the bar. To extend your power window wire for the passenger side, you'll want to remove the tape and expose the wires through your loom. To cut your wires about 6 inches from the plug, you'll have a green, white, black, and red with a stripe. Now I have extended the wires to the window. Now you can plug it up and measure the length you need to run it to the other side. Now you would need to drill 4 holes for your push lock zip ties across the back side of the bar so you can't see the wires. So now that you got it buttoned up, you should have your wires and hoses ran across the side, and then you should have your power windows hooked up here, and your extended wire to your other power window hooked up here.